Hello and Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Lala. Today I'm going to present to you AutoCAD presentation for Faceshield, 3D Faceshield. Me and my partner, my name is Muhammad Lala Berabdi and my number B0821103884. My partner is Muhammad Fikri Berabdi. For our Faceshield 3D design, I'm going to show you in AutoCAD. Okay. Here I will show you the dimension for our Faceshield. For top view, here the specification I will use for 22 cm for the length, and the width, the width is 19 cm. It is in the range for 3D printer, which is 24 by 20, and here you can see for the here is the we designed for rubber to tighten the Faceshield because we want to save the use of filament, so we designed to use the rubber, so customer or the user will feel more comfortable when wear it. And here at this part is where our customer or user forehead will feel more comfortable because of here this part is flexible. We designed it to be flexible. And here is the name, our name, Big Hands, for the product. And the Faceshield is designed here is is some space. Have some space. This is for we want to put sponge, so any air didn't come in, but the user or our customer will also still feel comfortable. This is the gradient for both left hand side. For both left hand side is 327, and for the rubber to be put here is 14 and 16. This design is, we wanna make it simple as possible, and we wanna make it less use of filament. We wanna reduce costs. Okay, later in this presentation, in this video, I will put the timeline of this product, of this design. Okay, that's all for the dimension. Now I'm going to show you the material or the filament that we use. Thank you.
So Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is our AutoCAD presentation for our 3D model Faceshield. Okay. So this is my friends and me, which is Hanzala and me Fikri. So there are only two of us in this group. Okay, so the material that we use to make this model, which is PLA, this PLA is condensed plastic, and it also have low temperature resistance and doesn't release fume that will harm people. And the disadvantage is it is unsuitable for durable pipe. Okay, as we know that we use this material for our model, which is Faceshield. So that thing is not quite strong and durable, and it is biodegradable over time because it is on-based thermoplastic, and it is also can be recyclable. Okay, so this is the estimate mass and cost from the interface view that we get. Okay, this is the information shown is for one pieces of Faceshield. So the print time plus minus 3 hours and 50 minutes, and the estimated mass is 48.12 gram for each Faceshield. Okay, so this is the little bit calculation about 1 pieces of Faceshield and 1000 of Faceshield. As we can see here, we just multiply by 1000 for the 1000 pieces of Faceshield. Okay, so that is from me for this slide presentation.